Hi, I'm Chef Gail Sokol and welcome to my kitchen. So today we're doing a mixing method series and explaining each mixing method so you get the best baked good you can. Now this is the second of the series. We're going to be discussing what's known as the one-stage method, or commonly referred to as the dumping method. And before we get started, I'd like you to click that notification button so you can see all my videos and tips and don't miss out on any of them. So let's get started. The dumping method, or the one-stage method, is the easiest method to make a cake. Usually they're used in cakes and not as much cookies. They usually involve, when you're reading a recipe, there's oil or a liquid fat. So that means the butter could even be melted. It's never in a solid form. You can also see typical cakes using the one-stage method, sometimes chocolate cakes, and a lot of the time carrot cakes usually use oil as the fat. So that's known as that one-stage method. So you basically take all your dry ingredients, your sugar, your flour, your chemical leaveners, you put them into your electric mixing bowl. You can even do this by hand with a whisk in a large bowl, dry ingredients in one, wet ingredients in the other, like your oil, your eggs, anything else, and then you dump them, get it, the dumping method, or you pour your liquid ingredients into your dry ingredients, whisk together, and you don't want to whisk too much because you will create gluten and you will create a tough cake. So there you have it. It's super easy. This is the one-stage method, or the dumping method. Keep watching for the rest of the series. Till next time.